Hey guys, hi, hello, namaste, adaba, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, vanakkam and khamma gani to all of you. Welcome to today's class guys, and today's class is your for Prodigy series for CBSE 10th, and we are discussing the circle session 2. Actually it's session 2. Session 1 introduction we have already finished, and there we have learned one theorem, that is the radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent, right? So in this class we'll be discussing about the length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle. Very important theorem. All right, so let us first start with the homework question which I gave you in the previous class. So it says a point P is at a distance of 29 centimeter from the center of a circle. So let's say guys, this is your circle, here is your center, point P is 29 centimeter away, radius is 20 centimeter. Find the length of tangent drawn from P to the circle. Suppose this is the tangent drawn. Now I know at the point of contact, radius at the point of contact will be perpendicular. This PO is given as 29, radius is given as 20. I can say, sir, it is a right angle triangle. So PO square is equal to PT square plus OT square. PO is 29, is PT square plus 20 square. So it is 841 minus 20 square is minus 400 is equal to PT square. So you are getting PT square as 441, and which means PT will be 21 centimeter, right? Square root of 441 is 21. All right. So the correct answer, the length of the tangents will be what? 21 centimeter. Now let's see our homework stars. So who are the homework stars? So we have got the correct answer from Janaki Prasad Soni, K. Harshita, Abhirami, B. Nair, Abhay Pandey, Tanay Lathi, and Dinesh Yadav. So guys, very well done. You guys are homework stars, and yes, all the other students who are watching this video, you can also be a homework star. Just answer the homework question given at the end of every session. Let me know what is the answer in the comment section. All right, and I'll show your name in the homework stars in the next session. All right, so let's move ahead guys with today's topic. My name is Gopal. I am your master teacher of mathematics here at Vedantu, and I have done my graduation from IIT Dhanbad. I have been teaching from past 5 years. You can see my credentials on your screen. All right, let's move ahead guys with our second topic, length of tangents drawn from external point. So we will be seeing that what kind of tangents can be drawn. This is the question which you will be able to solve by the end of this class, and it's a very important question guys. Very important question. Like I would say it is the most important question in this whole chapter from NCERT. Like it's a very important question. All right, okay, chalo. So guys, there are three cases. If you all remember, last class also I have told you that with respect to a tangent, with respect to a point and a circle, there are three possibilities. One is point is inside the circle, the other is point is on the circle, and the third is point is outside the circle. Right? Now when the point is inside the circle guys, you can see you cannot draw any tangent, right? So in this first case there are no tangents. We cannot draw any tangent when the point P is inside the circle. If the point P is on the circle, you can see one tangent can be drawn. Number of tangents is how many? One tangent. And when the point P is outside the circle, we can draw two different tangents. Two tangents. Okay. Clear? So when the point is inside the circle, you cannot draw any tangent. When the point is exactly on circle, we can say only one tangent can be drawn. And when the point P is outside the circle, you can draw two tangents. You can draw two tangents. Now with this two tangents beta, we have a very important theorem. The theorem says that the length of the tangents from an external point are equal. The length of tangents from an external point are equal. All right, so let's say we want to prove that P0 is equal to P1. So I'll say, sir, in triangle, see, it's a very easy theorem. Proof is very easy. In triangle P1C and triangle P0C, First thing beta, if you will see, we know radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. So C P0 and C P1, they are the radiuses. So they will be perpendicular to the tangents. So I can say angle P1C is equal to angle P0C. Both are equal to 90 degrees. Then this side PC is the common side, which is the common hypotenuse for both the triangles, and then I can say sir P1C is equal to P0C because both are representing radius. So what rule it is? Right angle hypotenuse side rule. I can say by RHS rule. By RHS rule, triangle P1C is congruent to triangle P0C. And once beta I prove that these two are congruent, I can easily say that these two sides are going to be equal. So by CPCT, we can say PP0 is equal to PP1. Alright, hence rule. So the length of tangent from an external point is equal. Now, other than this, the other important things. Next thing, guys, which you have to remember is that both these triangles, which two triangles? When the two tangents are drawn from an external point, we join the point of contact with the radiuses and join the center with the external point. The two triangles formed, they are congruent. And when they become congruent, beta, remember, these two angles will be equal to each other, and these two angles are also going to be equal. That means the line PC bisects the angle between the two tangents at the external point P, and also bisect the angle between the two radiuses which are at the point of contact on the center. So it's a very important thing. Remember, these two angles are also divided, so that I don't have, whenever I solve this question, I don't have to explain this thing again and again. You guys have to remember that these two triangles are congruent. So by CPCT, if these two angles are equal, so if I give you this complete angle, say let's say 100 degrees, both angles will be half 50-50. Similarly here, if I give this complete angle is 200 degrees, so both angles half of 100 and 100. Like that it will work. Alright, easy. ठीक है बच्चा, clear? Okay, चलो, let's move ahead now. Let's move ahead with some questions. All right, let's move ahead with some questions. But before I go ahead, guys, there is a very important thing. As I've told you, like there is a huge thing coming for our Teachers' Day. So on the occasion of Teachers' Day, guys, we at Vedantu have pledged, that is hashtag education for all. And in this, guys, what is the thing, like across all grades, no matter which grade you are in, across all courses, all the grades, all the courses, every single course which is present on Vedantu, you will be getting 50% off, up to maximum discount rupees 2000. All right, so all the small courses like your NTSE course and your term 1 crash courses, now they have become like at the least price available. So you just have to go to do the same thing. You'll go to the link mentioned in the description box of this video and subscribe to the courses. Let me tell you some of the very good courses which are there, and apply GPE Pro code. The same code is going to give you 50% off only for 3 days. 5th already done, 6th today, for 5th, 6th and 7th, 3 days. All right, okay bacha, chalo. So now let me show you the courses which are there. So देखो, in this, if you will see that in the description box, you can find out avail all exciting courses. Now see, CBSE term 1 crash course. You know term 1 is near. This term 1 crash course, guys, this is a very good deal which you are getting right now. This term 1 crash course, you are getting it at a very low price, beta. देखो, Pro Lite, Pro Classic, Pro Lite, after applying GPE Pro, you are getting it at 5000 rupees. And Pro Classic also, you are getting it at 5000 rupees. So I would suggest in this, it would be better to go for Pro Classic because you get access to unlimited doubt solving on mobile app. 24/7 support. Whenever you are studying, you get doubts, you can post that doubt in the chat, in the app, and you will get solution for it. All right, and remember guys, this 5000 is till the course ends, till your exam ends. So up to November or December till your exams are there, you will be getting these courses. So that's a very good benefit right now which you are getting, and a very important thing for all of you. Okay, bacha. All right, so a very important course. Now suppose if you want to go for some more courses, let's say if you want to see NTSE course. All right, so NTSE course now, which was available at say rupees 5,000, is available at only 2,500. 4,000 it was available 4,500, and this one is available nearly at 3,000 rupees. So the courses have reduced, the prices have reduced a lot. If you want to go for term 1 and term 2 both, all right, so you can see guys, the monthly price for you has dropped down from 2000 to only 1300. Here 1650 and here 2700. So you can try it for 1 month, and if you think that yes, it is the course for you, you can go ahead and go with the final courses. All right, beta. So this is the offer you are getting right now. Very important thing for all of you. Very important thing. Even for ICSE 10th also we have. For Maharashtra board students, for JEE NEET Foundation, every single course has this benefit. All right, beta. Okay, chalo. Let's move ahead, guys. Now, so these are some of the courses. For example, your term 1 course, all right, which is available at a mere price of 5,000, and your the total courses also you can go for it. All right, so very good opportunity for you right now, guys. Dekho, the courses are starting very soon. 13 September, 27 September. Don't wait that when the course will start, that day you will take the courses, because limited seats. Second thing, take it now so that you can start and continue with your preparation. All right, continue with the preparation, guys. With the days which you are getting in between, you can start with the micro courses. All right, so don't forget to apply GPE Pro code, and let's say hashtag education for all. All right, let's move ahead with some of the questions, guys. The first question which we have is this: what the question is saying: if tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at 80-degree angle POA. So guys, see, this is your circle, and two tangents we are drawing, PA and PB. All right, so this will be, let's say, the radiuses. All right, A, B, this is P, this is O. Now I know all of you must have remembered by now, triangle PAO will be congruent to triangle PBO. Just done the proof for it. All right, so since both of them are going to be congruent, both the tangents are inclined to each other at 80 degrees. So beta, this angle, this complete angle is given as 80 degrees. So I can say that these two angles are now going to be equal, and they both are going to be 40 degrees, 40 degrees, right? So angle APO will be equal to angle BPO. Both will be half of 80 degrees, which is equal to 40 degrees. Now I know this angle is 90 degree at angle A. So the angle POA, this angle we can easily find out. I can say, sir, in triangle PAO, one angle is 40. Radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. So one angle is 90 plus angle POA is equal to 180 degree. Solve it, you'll get angle POA is equal to what? 50 degrees. Easy question, right? All right, so you'll get your answer as 50 degrees. Okay, next question. In the given figure, xy and x dash y dash are two parallel tangents to a circle x with center O. Sorry, not those. I think this x is not there. Two parallel tangents to a circle with center O. So this xy and x dash y dash, these are two parallel tangents, given parallel tangents. All right, and another tangent AB at point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B prove that angle AOB is 90 degrees. So guys, the first thing, it is given that these two lines are parallel. Now I know Bachawati very clearly, radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. Radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to the tangent. So the line, this radius OP is making an angle 90 degree over there. OQ is also making an angle of 90 degree. All right. Now I know that this line XY is parallel to x dash y dash. Understand one thing, XY is parallel to x dash y dash, and you can see that angle XPA, since they are parallel, All right, and you can see interior consecutive angles are formed are 180 degree. They are supplementary. So obviously this PQ is a transversal. I can say, sir, if XY is parallel to X dash Y dash, I can say, sir, this PQ is acting as a transversal because interior consecutive angles are supplementary. So PQ is transversal. That means I can say PQ is a straight line. All right, PQ is a straight line. All right, this line PQ is a straight line, or PQ is your diameter. PQ is your diameter. All right, now guys, देखो, there are many ways for looking at this question. For example, I can say, sir, since this line, this tangent AB is intersecting the circle at point C, it looks to me as if that from an external point A, we have drawn two tangents AP and AC. Yes or no? Correct. And beta, you know that this triangle APO and ACO will be congruent. And I no need to prove it. RHS rule, all of you know. So triangle APO will be congruent to triangle ACO. And if they are congruent, beta, I can say angle AOP is equal to angle AOC. Let's say both are X degrees. This is X degrees. This is X degrees. Okay, similarly, if I move ahead, guys, and I'll say, so from B, it looks like BQ and BC are two tangents. So now I can say, so triangle BQO is congruent to triangle BCO. Obviously, these two triangles are going to be congruent, and if they are congruent, I can say, sir, angle BOQ is equal to angle BOC. Let's say these two angles are y degrees, and here also y degrees. All right, now beta, I know PQ is a straight line. If PQ is a straight line, I can sum of all these four angles should be equal to 180 degree. So angle X plus angle X plus angle Y plus angle Y is equal to 180 degree because they are forming a straight angle. So it will be 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. Take 2 common, shift it over there. You will get x plus y is equal to 180 degree. Now they are asking what value of angle AOB. You know beta, angle AOB can be written, this angle AOB can be written as angle AOC plus angle BOC. Angle AOC is x, angle BOC is y, and x plus y we just found is nothing but 90 degrees. So angle AOB will be equal to 90 degrees. Hence proved. Angle AOB is going to be equal to what, beta? It is going to be equal to 90 degrees. All right. Okay. Now this question. Acha. One more thing, beta. This is like again one of the most important questions. All right. What it says in the given figure, a circle touches all the four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD, whose three sides are AB, BC, and CD are given 6, 7, and 4 centimeters. Find AD. Now in these kind of questions, guys, one thing I would like all of you to understand, that when a circle is in such a way that it is inside a quadrilateral and it is touching all the four sides of a quadrilateral. So in that we have a theorem that in that quadrilateral sum of opposite sides are equal. Sum of opposite sides. How do we get it? Let me tell you. From D we can say there are two tangents DS and DR. So they both will be equal. Here CQ and CR tangent from an external point are equal. Here BP and BQ will be equal. And here AP and AS will be equal. Alright. So I can say, sir, AP is equal to AS. BP is equal to BQ. Then CR is equal to, CR is equal to CR is equal to CQ, and then I can say DR is equal to DS. Do one thing, add all the four equations. So AP plus BP is equal to AB, and CR plus DR is equal to CD is equal to AS plus DS is equal to AD, and BQ plus CQ is equal to BC. Right? Now in this beta, I know AB is 6, CD is 4, AD we don't know, and we know BC is 7. So from here you can say AD is nothing but 3 centimeters. Alright? So always remember guys that in such kind of figures where a circle touches all the four sides of the quadrilateral, in that case sum of the opposite sides is equal. So if you remember it, these kind of questions will be solved like this. Alright? And you'll be able to save a lot of time. Okay, okay. Next question. In the given figure, O is the center of two concentric circles. Concentric circle means two circles with the same center and different radius, right? So concentric circles of radius 4 centimeter and 6 centimeter. So obviously guys, the smaller circle will have smaller radius. So OB is 4 centimeter and OA is 6 centimeter. PA and PB are tangents to the outer and inner circle respectively. PA, PB are the tangents to. PA is the tangent to the outer circle. PB is the tangent to the inner circle. Alright. If PA is equal to 10, PA is given equal to 10 and I know OA is equal to 6. Find the length of PB up to one place of decimal. Alright. So first thing guys, I know radius at the point of contact is perpendicular to tangent. So if I use Pythagoras theorem in triangle PAO, I can say PO square is equal to PA square plus AO square. So PA is 10 square plus 6 square because hypotenuse is PO, right? So PO square is equal to 100 plus 36, 136. So PO will be square root of 136. But we need to find out the length of PB. So now I can say, sir, in triangle PBO, again this angle is what? Again 90 degree. So I can say, sir, this time PO square is equal to PB square plus OB square. And we know OB is 4. So you can say PO square is 136. PB square we don't know. And OB is 4 square, which is equal to 16. Shift 16 over there. You'll get PB square is equal to 120. So PB will be equal to square root of 120. And square root of 120 is nothing but 15 eighths. So 15 eighths, if you see, it is nothing but 2 root 30. 2 root 30. Now root 30, find out the value and multiply it with 2. You'll get the answer as 10.9 centimeters. Alright, okay, direct you can do it. Okay, all of you know how to find out the decimal digit value for any square root. Long division method, grade 8, all of you have learned. Okay, let's move ahead now guys. Now amazing, most important question for today's class. Let me mark this 3 stars or 5 stars. Very important question. Alright, what this question says, let's read carefully. In the given figure, triangle ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeter. Triangle ABC we have drawn to circumscribe a circle of radius 3 centimeter such that the segment BD and CD into which BC is divided is given by the point of contact D are of length 6 and 9. Okay, if the area of triangle ABC is 54 centimeter square, find the lengths of AB and AC. Alright, AB and AC we need to find out, where we know BC is 6 plus 9, 15. Okay, what I do guys, देखो, I know, so this point, let's say these 2 points, ABC, let's say these points are E and this point is F, point of contacts. So these will also represent the radius which is perpendicular to the tangent. So they are also of 3 centimeters. Alright, then we know length of tangent from an external point is equal. So we can say AE is equal to AF, BE is equal to BD, and CF is equal to CD. Alright, so let's say, देखो बेटा, if BD is 6, BE is also going to be 6. If CD is 9, CF is also going to be 9. And if AE and AF, let's take it as X and X. Alright, so this till now here clear. Length of the tangent from an external point are equal, and the point of contact we have named them as D, E and F. So we know OD, OE, OF all are 3 centimeters, BD and BE are 6 CD and CF are 9 centimeters, and AE and AF we don't know. Let's say they are X. Now it is given that area of triangle ABC is 54 centimeters square. How do I find out the area of triangle? So देखो what I saw beta, sir, I know these all are perpendicular to the three sides. So if I think of the three sides as my basis, altitude will be given if I choose O as this vertex. If I suppose join O with B, join O with C, and join O with A, you can clearly see guys, we are getting three triangles. Triangle AOB, in which AB is the base, OE is the height. Triangle OBC, in which BC is the base, OD is the height. And triangle AOC, in which AC is the base and OF is the height. So now I can say, sir, area of triangle AOB will be half into base. Base is what? 6 plus x into height. Height is 3. Radius is 3 for all. Area of triangle BOC will be half into 6 plus 9. BC is what? 15 into height. And area of triangle AOC will be equal to half into 9 plus x into 3. Now I can clearly say guys that area of triangle ABC will be equal to, I can say, sir, half of 6 plus x into 3 plus half of 15 into 3 plus half of 9 plus x into 3. So I can take half into 3 or 3 by 2 common, and area of triangle ABC is given as 54. So here we are left with 6 plus x plus 15 plus 9 plus x. So 54 is equal to 3 by 2 times of 2x, and 6 plus 9 is 15 plus 15, 30. Take 2 common, 54 is 3 by 2 times. So if I take 2 common, x plus 10. Alright, 2 to 2 got cancelled, shift 3 in division. So 3 ones are, 3 8s are 18 is equal to x plus 10. Shift 10 over there, you'll get x is equal to 18 minus 10, which is equal to 8. Alright, x is equal to 8 centimeter. Alright, so this is how this question can be solved. This important information is very much required. Now in NCERT, it is a bit difficult. What they have done, in NCERT, they have not given you this area. Instead, what you have to do, since this area is not given, you will find out the area of triangle ABC using Heron's formula. Square root of s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. That area you will get in terms of x. This area will also be in terms of x. You will equate both. So don't forget to solve this question from your NCERT as well. Very important question. So here we have got our answer as, wait, I am getting x equal to 8. Let me check here once more time. I think am I made any mistake? Half into 6 plus x into 3, then half into 15 into 3, and half into 9 plus x into 3. So if I take half common, 3 common, half 3 by 2 if I take it common, so 3 by 2, 6 plus x plus 15 plus 9 plus x, 2x plus 30, 6 plus 9, 2x plus 30, half into this. I think it should be correct. What is the mistake? Half into 15 into 3, half into 3 into 9 plus x plus half into 3 into this. So what? 15 3s are 45, 3 9s are 27 plus 3x, 3 6 are 18 plus 3x. Okay. And then 3x plus 3x is 6x, 45 plus 27 plus 18. 6x is equal to 18, you are getting, and x is equal to 3. And here, if I take half into 3 common, because it's everywhere, x plus x, 2x, 30. Got it. I am making such a silly mistake. I made such a silly mistake. Yeah. I'm sorry. I made a mistake. Made a mistake. Understood that? Okay. So it will be, if I take 2 common, it will be x plus 5. Sorry, x plus 15. Because I'm taking common, right? Hi, yaar. I was thinking why I'm making mistake. Okay, so it will be x plus 15, x is equal to 3. Down is the correct answer. Okay, I was thinking everywhere it is correct, where I made mistake. Okay, bachcho, okay. So this is how you'll get your correct answer. Alright, so very important question. Now let's look at your homework question, see what the question is saying. In the given figure, a circle with center O is inscribed in a quadrilateral ABCD such that it touches the side BC, AB, AD and CD at points P, Q, R and S respectively. If AB is 29, AB is given 29, AD is 23, angle B is 90 and DS is given 5, find the radius of the circle. थोड़ा सा difficult है, but try to think about it. Alright, so those who give me the correct answer, they'll be featured in our next class. So this is all in today's class, guys. Please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe to the channel. And yes, 5, 6, 7, 3 days, 50% off, and term 1 crash course and NTSC crash course are present at a very low price, guys. This is the price which you will never get, lowest price for this season. Do not forget to subscribe to these courses. Term 1 are very near. Alright guys, so thank you so much and I hope all of you enjoyed this class. Please don't forget to like this video as well. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Sayonara for the hafiz to all of you guys. Bye bye.